Oh hi, I'm Zion. We often feel anxious whenever we are about to pack our stuff for traveling. Just thinking about what to bring can overwhelm you with what ifs and the like. What if I don't bring this? What if I'll actually need this? What if I'm just bringing a lot of unnecessary stuff? Packing your stuff can be a nightmare, especially when you have a lot in mind but have less space in your luggage. Luckily, there are a lot of techniques on how you can bring a lot of stuff by maximizing your luggage capacity. Here's some packing techniques to help you with your luggage nightmares.
Rolling can help maximize space by compressing your clothing to make it easier to pack and avoid wrinkling. Personally, this is my favorite packing method because it is very easy to do. Fold both sides of the sleeve towards the chest. Now, roll the shirt from top to bottom. And there you have it, the rolling. Or you could fold the roll, it's your choice. Military style roll, or ranger roll, or whatever it's called. This is like an advanced type of rolling your clothes. And the awesome part is, it makes your clothes look like a burrito. I think this is more efficient than the regular type of roll because it makes your clothes more compact. But usually, this is more suitable for t-shirts. From the bottom of your shirt, fold 2 inches under. Fold both sides of the sleeve towards the chest. Fold both sides of the shirt towards the center. Turn the shirt around. And roll the shirt from bottom to top. See this pocket? From here, we'll use the pocket to turn it inside out. Voila! A burrito! Just kidding. The ranger roll or military roll. I hear this type of fold is very useful if you're ever in a rush. It's very simple and fast. Here are the points you have to pinch. My right hand holds the top of the shirt while my left holds the middle area of the shirt. Now, my right hand needs to get to the other end of the shirt, so my right hand goes under my left arm and pinches the other end of the shirt. Now, I pull back my right hand and voila! Done in 2 seconds.
I'm not quite sure about the title for this folding technique, but I'll call it the sandwich fold. Not that I love sandwiches, but because, you'll see what I mean. On to the folding. Fold the pants in half. Now, we fold it by thirds, starting from the top. Oops, that's embarrassing. Better calculate my folding right. See this whole spot? From here, you'll place the other end of the pants. Ta-da! A sandwich. It's also optional to place your shirt inside to make it easier to match your clothes. Utilizing your shoes. Being bulky, your shoes can definitely take a lot of room in your luggage. But guess what? They have a lot of room themselves too. You can utilize your shoe's mouth or whatever it's called. Okay, I assume it's called the mouth because you have the shoe tongue, right? And put your socks and other small stuff into it. Also plastic. It can be any plastic so long as it fits your shoes inside, because you don't want dirt to your clothes. Well, that was fun. Now packed up and ready to travel the world. Bye and have fun with packing.